Our passion for building connections never fades. It's in our blood, constantly fueling our minds to step into the unknown, guiding us to answers for big questions or small puzzles. Every day, we find joy in the simplest acts of connection. We engage with the world around us, awaking our senses to enrich our experiences. Yet, the most profound and magical connections are often unseen. You can feel it, and you know it's there. You find its trace through a touch, a cheer, a kiss, a high five, a cuddle, and so much more. It's an unspoken understanding that transcends words. It also drives us to dive deeper, seeking the true voices and dreams that define us. At Renogy, we believe in the power of connection. For 14 years, we've dedicated ourselves to turning dreams into reality. Our journey began with solar panels, but didn't stop there. We keep pushing the boundaries to ensure easier and safer access to off-grid power for everyone. We reimagine your life out there, not for what it is, but for everything it can be. Today, we go further, offering comprehensive solutions tailored to diverse lifestyles and needs. Whether it's RV adventures, van life, sailing on open waters, tending to a farm, or crafting in a workshop, Renogy connects you to the energy that fuels your passions.
I've now had my system up and running 24/7 for the past 2 years, and it runs as well now as it did the day I first installed it. So if you're thinking about installing a solar panel system on your boat, take a look at Renogy. For the quality and the price, you will not find a better brand.
Desde el proceso inicial de pedir todos los componentes, a montarlo todo, a tener que vivir con esta configuración durante los últimos 3 meses, Renogy han sido verdaderamente espectacular, especialmente si lo vas a montar tú mismo. Te harían la vida mucho más fácil.
I was looking for a power source to power my off-grid tiny home. I come from a background where I don't know anything about solar power initially. I found Renogy to be a great, reliable source. Once the install was finished, I immediately really enjoyed the benefits of working with the solar power system.
As we celebrate 14 years of connection with you, we celebrate 14 years of superior off-grid solutions. Together, we continue to bridge your dreams and reality.